Good day, students. Today I am going to discuss these wonderful colors here floating around in the Earth atmosphere. This color coded map represents the concentration of greenhouse gases. These are gases in the Earth atmosphere that traps heat. So, greenhouse gases act as a natural heater of the planet because of their ability to absorb and re-emit inferior radiation or heat. This process is called greenhouse effect. So the question is, what is the greenhouse effect and when does it happens? So this happens when the Earth receives high energy short wavelength radiation from the sun, and the small portion of this electromagnetic radiation is reflected back in space. Most of it, however, passes through the atmosphere and reaches the Earth atmosphere. On reaching the Earth's surface, some of the sunlight is reflected back while the rest is absorbed at the surface. Therefore, the Earth's warm up and radiates the heat back into the atmosphere. This low energy thermal radiation consists of long wavelength and heats the air. The greenhouse gases trap the radiated heat from the Earth's surface, so the sunlight is first absorbed and then re-radiated. A process similar to this are the greenhouse, in which the glass surface serves as the greenhouse and which has the same function as the greenhouse gases. Now, the greenhouse gases, when sunlight passes through the glass and absorb it, um, and radiated back in the form of heat that is trapped in the glass house, causing the increase of temperature. Now, mind you that if only there were no natural greenhouse effect on the Earth, the average temperature would be 35 degrees centigrade lower than it is at present. Let us now proceed to the different types of greenhouse gases. First one is carbon dioxide, also known as the CO2. So, these are the most abundant anthropogenic greenhouse gases that are being released from burning fossil fuel, deforestation, and industrial process. Second one is methane, DCH4, a potent GHG emitted from fossil fuel production, livestock farming, and organic waste decay. Third one is nitrous oxide or N2O, released from agriculture industry and fossil fuel combustion. Fourth one is fluorinated gases such as the HFC, VFC, and CF6. So, synthetic potent GHG used in various industrial application. Also, the water vapor in ozone, which also contribute, but their concentration are primarily influenced by natural process. Let us now proceed to the effects of greenhouse gases. So, first is the global warming. It's the rising global average temperature. Second one is rising sea levels. It's about thermal expansion of water and melting. Third one is extreme weather, which cause more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, and floods and storms. Fourth one is ocean acidification. It's about the increase of CO2 absorption by the ocean, harming marine life. So the fifth one is the ecosystem disruption. These are changes in temperature and precipitation pattern affecting plant and animal. The sixth one is changes in precipitation. It's about altered rainfall patterns leading to floods in some areas and droughts in others. The next one is human health impacts. So it's the increased heat-related illnesses, air pollution, and spread of diseases. Next one is agriculture and food security, reduced crop yields and livestock productivity. And the last one is economic impacts, which damage from extreme weather disruptions to agriculture and adaptation cause.
In summer, it gets really hot and heat can be dangerous. It's important to know the risks and look after yourself. So start drinking water as soon as you wake up. Hey, here comes the bus to work. Let's go. Be aware, you can suffer illness and injury if you do not take adequate precautions. Wear light, loose clothing. Also, make sure to keep your head covered outdoors. Keep drinking. It's very important to drink at least 2 glasses of water every half hour. Check the color of your urine carefully. Pale is good. A dark color is a warning sign that you need to drink more water. Tell your supervisor when you need to take a break. Summertime working hours have now changed. Working in outdoor workplaces is prohibited between 10 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. from 1st June to 15th September. It's important to recognize the symptoms of heat stress in yourself and others. These include a rapid heart rate, heavy sweating, feeling weak and tired, painful muscle cramps, headaches, feeling dizzy, nausea. Boss! But if you suffer any of these symptoms, stop working immediately. Seek help from your supervisor or a colleague. Do not worry. Your employer is not allowed to deduct your wages or to dismiss you for this. If you see a workmate is in trouble, take them to a cool or shaded area to lie down. Lift their feet and hold something cold against them and offer water. Remember this advice and together we can all beat the heat.